Before video games and digital entertainment, model kits were the ultimate way to bring imagination to life, and at the center of it all, Revell, a company that shaped generations of hobbyists with plastic, glue, and a dream. Revell's story begins in 1943 in Venice, California. Founder Louis H. Glaser started the company not with model kits but with plastic toys. The name Revell came from the French word meaning revelation, and that's exactly what the company would become in the world of scale models. One of Revell's first big breakthroughs came in the late 1940s with a line of scale model cars. Instead of pre-assembled toys, these models required customers to build them piece by piece, just like the real thing. The idea took off, setting the foundation for Revell's future. By the 1950s, Revell was revolutionizing the plastic model kit industry. They focused on producing highly detailed replicas of real-world vehicles, especially military aircraft, which fascinated post-war America. Their 1:48 scale B-17 Flying Fortress and F-86 Sabre became legendary kits, selling in huge numbers. During the 1960s and 70s, Revell expanded beyond military models. They introduced kits of Apollo spacecraft, race cars, battleships, and even pop culture icons. The company became a household name, with kids and adults alike assembling everything from the Mercury Redstone rocket to TV's Batmobile. But the golden age of model kits wouldn't last forever. By the 1980s, competition was fierce, and video games and other hobbies were stealing attention. In 1986, Revell merged with its longtime competitor, Monogram, in a move that combined two legendary brands under one roof. The new Revell Monogram continued to release classic kits while innovating with new subjects. As the 2000s arrived, the modeling hobby faced more challenges. Ownership of Revell changed hands multiple times, and in 2018 the company filed for bankruptcy, but model enthusiasts weren't ready to say goodbye. A German investment group acquired Revell, ensuring that the iconic brand would live on. Today, Revell continues to produce a wide range of models, from classic World War II aircraft to modern supercars. Their dedication to detail and authenticity keeps them at the top of the industry, proving that even in the digital age, the joy of building something with your own hands will never go out of style. So, what was your first Revell kit? Let us know in the comments. And if you're new to model building, there's never been a better time to start.